Welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. In this short video, I'm going to show you a few other functions in CORIOgrapher for CORIOview. First thing I want to show you are the various mutes and cut to blacks for all the sources and output as well. So every presenter can be cut to black or mute from CORIOgrapher. I can do a selection as well. So I'm just doing a variety there. Notice it doesn't remove it from its placeholder location on screen, but it cuts it. If you're at a pause in the meeting and you want to cut everything to black, you can also do this. So down on the bottom here, this is where we cut everything to black and mute the audio. But if you just wanted to globally mute the audio, that's possible using this button too. Now, also on the bottom, it's possible to turn their labels on and off as well. So at the moment they're on, I can also turn them off as well. Now, if I was full screen, so let's take my PC full screen, you'll notice that there's no label, but if I wanted to identify which PC it was, all I do is push the label on button and you notice it will stay on for 3 seconds. So that's really handy as well. So that's CORIOgrapher for CORIOview. It's a really flexible piece of software and as well as being really simple to use, it is super powerful as well. Stick with the rest of the videos in this series and I'll be showing you how to control CORIOview in dynamic mode from the front panel as well. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.